today we are gonna talk about a movie.
A movie that made us cry, by the way.
Why us? I haven't even watched it. Which is exactly why we are here.
We are going to review Miracle in Cell number 7.
Oh, okay. I've heard of this. Is it really the same? You will see. So, what kind of movie is this?
It's a horror movie from 2013. The genre is drama and family.
But there's also comedy. Oh, really? So it's not just said the whole time?
No, the first line is actually pretty funny.
But the funny part makes the sad part hurt more. That's so dangerous. Okay, so what's the story about? So the main character is a man named Young-gu. He has a mental disability.
He thinks and acts like a child, very innocent.
Okay, and he has a daughter named Yesung. They are really close.
Their relationship is the sweetest thing ever.
So what goes wrong? One day a little girl dies near him and he gets blamed for it.
Even though he did nothing wrong.
That's so unfair. Right. And the girl's father is a powerful police officer, so nobody believes Young-gu.
So he ends up in prison separate from Yesu.
Oh no. But in prison, the other inmates slowly start to like him.
They protect him like a little brother.
That's actually really sweet. And they even sneak Yesu inside the prison to meet her dad.
Which is crazy, but also the best part.
Okay. Does it have a happy ending? That silence says everything. Let's just say it's not happy, but it feels right.
A happy ending would feel fake for this story.
Did you cry, guys? Yes.
So much.
What's your favorite scene?
When Yesung sneaked into the prison and ran to her dad, so pure.
Mine is the courtroom scene. The acting is incredible. Now I really want to watch it.
Please do, but bring it soon.
Favorite character is obviously Young-gu.
No debate.
Why him? Because he is so innocent, bad things keep happening to him, but he never stops loving his daughter.
The actor who played him was amazing.
What about the inmates? They are great too, funny but also really caring.
You would expect to like them, but you totally do.
So what's the reason from this movie? Unconditional love never stops a parent from loving their children.
Also about how unfair life can be sometimes.
And comes from people you don't expect. Exactly. I think that's the miracle in the title. Okay, should I watch this? Yes, totally.
But prepare yourself first.
Emotionally.
Watch it with family, have tissue ready.
Okay, I'm watching it tonight. Call us after.
Okay, final rating.
5 stars, no question.
5 star from me too.
I haven't watched it, but based on what you say, 5 stars. Alright guys, that's our review of Miracle in Cell number 7.
Go watch it.
And prepare your and prepare your tissue. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.